by implementing the zero investment innovative idea of concept explanation over the course of our previous sessions, we engaged the students in some interesting hands-on activities through which they have imbibed the various concepts of the lesson, shapes and angles. And now, as informed at the end of our last video, it's time for our students to gain further insight into all the concepts that they have learned thus far through some interesting homework activities. Let's begin by asking the students to open their math textbooks and turn to page number 19. Inform the students that they will need to solve all 3 matchstick puzzles given on that page at their homes. To represent the solutions for the 3 puzzles, inform the students to paste matchsticks in the form of the final shapes in their notebooks. For the next homework activity, ask the students to turn to page number 32 of their math textbooks. Inform the students that they will have to make a paper aeroplane at home by following the steps mentioned on that page. Ask the students to observe and make a note of how well it flies. Also, inform them that once they have made the paper plane, they will have to open all the folds and find angles of 45 degrees, 90 degrees and various other angles that are formed by the creases of the folds. Inform the students that they will need to cut these angles out and paste it in their notebooks. And for the final homework activity, encourage the students to estimate the measure of the angles formed by the different parts of their bodies while doing some yoga asanas at their homes. We will then conclude by informing the students that all their observations will be discussed in the next class. And with that, we have completed this session by implementing the zero investment innovative idea of concept explanation. The students will now be able to explore the idea of angles and shapes, that is, classify angles into right angles, acute angles and obtuse angles, and represent the same by drawing and tracing. They will also be able to collect and represent various data related to daily life situations in a tabular format and interpret it accordingly. Answer coherently, either verbally or in writing, to questions in English based on daily life experiences, and act according to the guidelines given in English. For more innovative teaching ideas like this, do tune into our upcoming videos. Until then, goodbye.